Welcome to Tech Solutions. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Debian 13, codenamed Trixie, on your system with manual partitions. This guide is tailored for a UEFI-based system, so creating an EFI partition is essential. We'll begin by downloading the Debian 13 ISO file from the official Debian website. Once you have the ISO, use a tool like Rufus or Balena Etcher to create a bootable USB drive. Insert the bootable USB into your system and reboot. Access your BIOS or UEFI settings and set the boot priority to the USB drive to launch the Debian installer. Once the installer boots, you'll be greeted with an installation menu. Choose your preferred mode, graphical or standard installer, and proceed. You will first be prompted to select your language, location, and keyboard layout. These choices will help configure the installation process to suit your needs. Following this, the installer will load its components and ask you to configure your network. If you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, ensure the connection is active to download any necessary updates during the installation. During the installation process, you'll be asked to set up the root password, which is the administrator password for your system. Make sure to choose a strong password and remember it. Next, you'll create a user account by entering a username and a full name. You will also need to set a password for this user account, which will be used to log in to the system and for administrative tasks requiring elevated privileges. Next comes the partitioning phase, where we'll create manual partitions. On a UEFI system, creating an EFI partition is mandatory. Start by selecting Manual Partitioning from the menu. If your disk already has partitions, delete them to create a clean slate. First, create an EFI partition of about 512 megabytes, formatted as FAT32, and set the mount point to EFI System Partition. Create a swap partition. This can range from 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes, depending on your system's RAM size. Create a root partition to store your operating system files. Allocate around 80 to 130 gigabytes, formatted as ext4. If you plan on creating a separate home partition for personal files, allocate additional space and set the mount point to home. Finally, As you proceed, you'll be prompted to select software to install. From the list, ensure that GNOME desktop environment is selected. This will install GNOME as the graphical interface for Debian 13. The installer will handle the download and setup of the necessary packages for GNOME. Once the partitions are configured and the software selection is complete, the installer will begin copying files, setting up the system, and installing the GRB bootloader. Since this is a UEFI system, GRUB will automatically be configured to use the EFI partition. After the installation completes, remove the USB drive and reboot your system. If everything was done correctly, you should see the Debian boot menu. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Debian 13 with GNOME and manual partitions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Tech Solutions. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Linux and Windows guides. See you in the next video.